Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You'll get this in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Alright guys, we'll see what's inside. And if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, check out now, and they can ship this to you fast. And if you got time, check out their other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And we have here, ooh baby, OneOdio. Boom. OneOdio Bluetooth headphones, A11. Alright. Power of music. Package contains one stereo headphone, one micro USB, 3.5 audio cable, carrying case, user guide. Good stuff right there. We got the side. Built-in mic, 24 hours playtime. Wireless, wired, Bluetooth, foldable, voice assistant, bass, got that bass. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. Here we go. We got the manual right there, we don't need it, it's easy to do. Bluetooth, boom. Charging cables, and alright, got that one, the audio 3.5, and the Bluetooth, or the I forgot what it's called already, but charge it, the USB. Hello, it's been a long day. Nice little travel case. Got their logo right there. Feels good. Kind of reminds me of Jake the Snake Roberts with this snake in the bag. Oh, here we go. This is nice. This is flexible. Yeah, these are nice. Go for a jogging, you know, on the bus, on the train. Folds. Super soft around the ear. Really nice. And you got just. Let me flip this over in 1 second. Where are the power buttons? Oh, here we go. On this side is the power. All the controls are right there. The jack and all that. So I got to turn it on. Let me just feel. Oh yeah. I'm not sure. Yeah, these are. See, they feel good. There we go. That's enough of that one. But I'm gonna show you an iPhone. Let me grab it. Okay, iPhone time. Gotta get into the Bluetooth power. Come on. Maybe I gotta charge it. You would think it would be enough juice when it turns on. Might have to charge it. Give me 1 second. Dang. Alright, part 2 coming right up in about 2 seconds. Alright guys, we got it turned on. And there we go. OneOdio. Click on that, and it's connected right there. Now I'll go to uncopyrighted music. Sound clear. Now let me put these on. Yeah, these sounded good. I'm liking these. And there's a pause button right there. Volume. There. And these are really good, guys, so definitely check them out. Link will be down below. Add it to your cart. Check out. They'll ship this to you fast. Be safe. Have a good night.